Okay, let's go inside and see what we can find. We'll start this way. I like these mushrooms. The Amanita mushrooms. Okay. Tagabitbit ko ng shopping basket. And yung paborito niyang barbecue corn nuts. Ito lang yung pinagda ko para sa aking garden. Good. I'm good with. And then butterflies and look at this, mushrooms. Aking credit card holder. Ito yung pinunta ko dito sa Dollar Tree. Mga pang-display sa garden ko. May mga kabute, butterflies, at tsaka, ano yung isa? Kabute, tsaka butterflies, tsaka gnomes. Diyan ka na mula.